Hi everyone, in this video I will explain why I think the Chia network will be worth $4 in the next 6 months and what long-term targets we can expect in such a case. I won't go into the details of the project, you can find this information in my first video on the channel or in any other YouTube video. Right now I will briefly share what I expect from the price in the near future and in the long term. So the coin has been in the accumulation zone since May 2022, and in October 2023 we saw the coin fell to $20, and then there was a rise. However, the excitement was short-lived and the coin dropped even lower. And here I want to share a little of my sad experience. Back in 2023, at the $22 mark, I opened a margin position, but didn't close it at a proper time, expecting further growth in May 2024. And that was a big mistake that ultimately led to my position being liquidated as the price dropped further. This made me sad, but didn't break my spirit. The lesson here is to avoid trading with leverage, especially for a large percentage of the deposit. Okay, so we can see that the coin fell below $20, hinting $12, and around this price one interesting video appeared on the channel called Poor Investor, with the title Why Chia is a Failure. In this video, Brian Freeman, one of the largest Chia coin farmers, stated that he sold all his hard drives and no longer believes in the project, and also doesn't plan to farm the coin anymore. He also mentioned that Bram Coin offered to buy coins from the market, hinting that the project might be a scam and the founders are already looking for liquidity to sell. Does this mean the coin is a scam? I don't think so. I believe that the mentioned video wasn't made without purpose. Did Brian sell his drives? Probably yes. But I think the main goal of such videos is to push holders to sell their coins, and not at the highest price points, as you can see on the chart. Right? So does this mean $12 was the bottom and the coin won't go lower? I don't think so. In my opinion, the coin will continue to drop in the short term and reach around $4 per coin. And here is why. The coin hasn't seen a major spike from its accumulation zone. Because, firstly, it's still being farmed by people who plan to push its price up in the future. Currently, about 14 million coins have been farmed. I believe the starting point for a global rise will come when approximately 16 million coins have been farmed. Also, we are currently in a bear market for altcoins. Only a few altcoins have seen significant growth in this cycle, like Solana or meme coins. But most altcoins haven't grown much. The focus has been primarily on Bitcoin. Right now, the people are holding bags of altcoins, waiting for a moonshot. But will they get it? Based on the volume of margin liquidation, it's clear that people are still in the leveraged longs, not just on the spot market. I believe that before we will see strong growths in altcoins, their prices will drop significantly. Then a recovery will follow. Trump might contribute to new money printing, but for now, liquidity is absent. On the chart, we see a similar pattern. is repeated through the accumulation zone. People were buying coins, averaging down when prices fell. How do you make them sell? Many YouTubers claim that coins will start rising, prompting most holders to sell without waiting for a big profit. That might happen, but many people bought Chia with expectations of tens or even hundreds of multipliers from this project. Will ordinary holders sell all their coins if the price, for example, rises to 100? I don't think so. If we were in a bull market for altcoins, perhaps market makers would need to drive the coin's price up from current levels. However, given the current market situation, market makers still have time to accumulate, and I lean towards a scenario where the coin's price drops significantly. Let's assume people were buying and averaging down at around $40 per coin, and then the price drops to $4. For example, with an investment of $10,000, an investor would be left with just $1,000. You might think the price wouldn't fall so low because people would rush to buy. But at those levels, fear will dominate. Everyone will think the market rally is over and that nothing except Bitcoin will grow. People will sell, hoping to save at least a small part of their deposit. And those who don't sell at the bottom will gladly sell when the price recovers to $40 or $80 per coin, taking their money back. And it will be already more than 10x from the bottom. And people will be scared that the price can drop again. Do you agree that it's more profitable for a market maker to accumulate coins at $4, $40, or even $80 than at $200 or $400? So does this mean the $40 range wasn't an accumulation zone? And were the major players selling coins at those levels? I don't think so. The main goal of a major player is to concentrate the maximum volume of coins in their hands for further price manipulation. A price of $4 or $40 or even $80 is suitable for them, as I believe the global price where the coin can be driven is about 2,000 per coin. I even think it could exceed 4,000. The market cap would still be under 100 billion, which is realistic considering IPO ambitions and the theory about pushing people to buy more hard drives. So, we might see a $4 price range around the summer, after which I expect a global price increase about $2,000. Keep in mind that no one knows the future. This is just my assumption. I hope this information will be useful for you and will help you at least not to lose money. Subscribe to the channel and I will try to make videos about other projects. Thanks and good luck to everyone.